Hello, my dear students. Welcome to IMS Academy. I want to tell you one important information. IISc has officially announced the key. We are here, me, myself, Sandeep Adari and Pratik Mishra sir are here to discuss the official key for civil engineering for the morning session as well as for the afternoon session. So, my dear students, if you want to verify your answers, so we will be doing the session for both morning and evening. And Pratik sir, can you add?
Yeah. So, my dear students, this key was available in the official website of IISc Bangalore. So, yesterday we have discussed the keys from our end, but today we got the official answer keys. So, we will be discussing official answer keys for both the forenoon and the afternoon session. So, sir, shall we start with this forenoon session?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, you can have this, sir. This is the first question from the forenoon session.
See, students, in the forenoon session, the first question was related to general aptitude, and they have given if denotes increasing order of intensity, the meaning of the words. Okay.
I will write, sir. Use.
So here, which one of the following given options is appropriate to fill the blank?
So for this question, this option B was the correct option.
So obliterate is the correct option.
Yeah. So this is the first question. Then coming to the next, this one.
Okay. See, students, sort of zoom karo, sir.
Yeah.
So students could be able to still zoom it. Okay. Very good. Sir, see, here in this question, in a locality, the houses are numbered in the following way. The house numbers on one side of a road are consecutive odd integers starting from 301. If the difference of the sum of the house numbers between the two sides of the roads is 27, then the number of houses on each side of the road is.
So,
What is the answer?
so this for this question, option A is the correct option. A.
So you can write the answer also, sir.
So answer, yeah, 27.
So
Option
can you
A
please
is
write
correct.
down the 27 also, sir?
Yeah.
So that
this is
with a higher.
option A, 27 is the correct answer.
Okay, sir. Go to
Next. This is question 3.
Okay. For positive integers p and q, p by q not equal to 1, and there was a formation there. So here the option A is correct, sir.
Yes, sir. Option A is correct. Yesterday only we have given the detailed solution for this also. So option A is the correct option for this question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Chalo, moving ahead with this. This is question 3. Moving to question number 4. This is the question number 4. So for this question number 4,
I think 31.
yeah, 31. This option D is correct option. So for this question 4, option D, that is
We can
31,
write 31.
is the correct answer.
Okay, sir.
Moving on with the next. This is question number 5. For question number 5, on a given day, how many times the second hand and the minute hand of the clock cross each other during the clock time? 12 hours, 5 minutes, hours to 12 hours, 55 minutes of hours. So for
the option is D, I think. See, students, option is D, and the answer is 55.
Sir, this is question number 5. Question number 5 is
C. Okay, sorry.
C, 50.
It is 50, sir.
So C option is correct and answer is 50. This is the correct option for this.
Okay. Next question, sir.
Next, we have question number 6.
See, students, it's a sixth question answer. I'm telling you directly. Here, sixth question answer is D option. Holes, veils, and pivots. Last option.
So this
Option D is the right answer, students.
Option D is the right answer, right? Next, this is question number 7. Yeah.
So, see, students, how many unique seating arrangements are possible such that each person is sitting next to their twin? I think it is 12. Right,
A.
sir?
Yes, sir. Option A is the correct answer. That is option A, which is 12, is the correct answer for this question. Okay,
sir. Next.
Moving on with this. Next, you have this question, question number 8.
I think it is T.
This is question number 8.
8, and we have the answer is A.
Option
T1.
A, T1. This is the correct answer.
Bhumika, we are discussing the morning paper, Amma.
This is morning paper. Okay. So after this, we will going to discuss the afternoon as well.
We will be discussing the afternoon's paper also in this session only.
Right. So this is question number 9, sir. If we can directly have the answer for this.
Yeah,
For
9
question
C.
number 9.
C, I think, sir.
For question 9, yeah, option C.
2,
is the
you
correct
can
option.
write, sir.
So
You
this
can.
is the correct option for this question number 9.
Okay,
Right?
okay, sir.
Next. This is 10.
10th one is like option B, I think, sir. 382.
Yeah, this option B. that is 382.
Okay, we'll be moving on to technical, I think, sir.
Yeah, this is aptitude portion. Now we will move to the technical questions. So this question is that
We have got yesterday 0x less than or equal to 2. Option A. Option A, sir.
option A is the correct option. This is the correct option for this question.
Hi, everyone, students.
Hi. Okay. Okay. So next is question number 12. This is question number 12, sir.
Okay, I think it is B, sir. U is equal to x square plus x of fy plus hy.
Yeah. This is the correct option. Option B is the correct option.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Moving on with this. Next we have
Students, you can be clearly seeing the answers, right? Any issue, please let me know so that it would help you. Okay.
Namaste everyone. This is question number 13. For question number 13 we have option A.
17 by 18, right?
This is the correct option. 17 by 18 is the correct option.
Okay, very good.
Then you have this
Yeah.
14.
Sir, see, I would like to tell you students, yesterday, Pratik sir has told that 20 MPA, most of the people might have written 15 MPA. Still in the yesterday's session, we have told already. So in the official key also it was announced 20 MPA, it's a absolute maximum shear stress, sir.
Yeah, it is the absolute maximum shear stress. Most of you have committed a mistake by marking it as 15 MPA. So 20 MPA is the correct option. Moving on next, 15th, we'll see.
Yeah, 15th one is, I told you it is a characteristic strength. So 95% probability the answer is 38. Even in the official key. Okay.
So this is option C is the correct option. Moving on with this, next is
16th
question
one
16.
A. Both P and A are correct.
So this statement is
Both P and Q are correct. Okay.
option A is correct.
Sir, see, students, I will be reading the question if required. If any issue, please let me know. We got an option. Sir, which one it is? 17th, right?
This is 17. Yesterday only.
We have discussed it now, sir.
Yeah.
S5, S4, S3, S2, S1. Option B.
So this is the option B. That is the correct option. S5, S4, S3, S2.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Free and to fixed end, we can say.
Next you have this 18.
18th, we can say remains same. Yeah. It is remains same. Very good.
Option A is the correct option. Option A
Is
is
the-
the correct option, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You can carry on.
Yeah, sure.
19, sir. 19
C.
only.
19th one option is D.
Option D.
P is false, Q is true.
This is option D for question number 19. Correct option.
Okay, see students, here a small thing. In the yesterday's session, we have discussed that P here, why? Because close to the origin are generally subrounded. Actually, soils are formed by weathering of rocks. They might take, soil is formed only by mechanical weathering. So the option D is correct according to the official key, students.
Okay. So next you have this question number 20.
C, sir.
For question number 20, option C is correct. Yesterday only I have told you for natural open channel, the degree of freedom is 4. So for this question, the correct answer is 4. Next, question number 21. This one.
432.
21. This is option B. This 4321. Yesterday only we have discussed this. So option B is the correct option for this question, right?
Okay.
Next. You have this question 22 for
D, sir. 77.133 we got. The range is 75 to 79.
yeah. So for this question, your option D is the correct option.
Yes, sir.
Next.
73. A option is the right answer, sir.
This is the correct answer.
So, see students, 7% increase in length and 300 meter. Yeah.
This is the correct answer for this question number 23. Now next.
Question number 24B.
This is
Which of the following statements related to bitumen is false?
Yeah.
So you can write the option B, sir.
option B.
Once
Is,
check it, sir. Once.
this is question number
24B.
So 24 is B. Yeah.
Okay.
Next is question number 25.
It will be also B, sir. 25.
Yeah.
We discussed 3 to 4, 180. 360 minus
So
180.
option B is the correct option. Next, come to question number 26. This is question number 26.
And it is A option, sir. It is an A.
Yeah. So option A is the correct answer for this question number
We have
26.
discussed this also.
Yeah.
93 minus 93 degrees and it is west. Okay.
Next, this is, then you have question number 27.
27A, sir. Line of collimation must be perpendicular to the horizontal axis at intersection with the vertical axis. Sir, students, one thing I would like to tell you, whatever the session yesterday we have taken, the same set they have given. So the options will be same, which you have compared yesterday and today.
28. So
28A and D.
This
Elliptic
option A
and hyperbolic.
option D. So option A and option D are the correct options.
See, students, for the following partial differential equation,
yeah, you see.
which of the following options are correct? Elliptic, x greater than 0 and y greater than 0. Hyperbolic, it is x less than 0 and y less than 0, I think, sir. Okay, fine. You can come down. Students, can you see the screen clearly? Sir, thoda zoom out karo.
One second, sir. I think this is okay.
This is okay.
So question number 29. Yeah. For question 29.
Yeah.
Question 29, option C and option D. Yesterday only I have told you that sulfur and chlorine, they will act as an impurity and they will reduce the strength of steel, right? Okay. So sulfur and chlorine, they reduce the strength of structural steel. So C and D are the correct option. Coming to question number 30, this one.
B and C, area of compression reinforced increased and area of tension reinforced decreased. You can write the option B and C for a balanced section to be under reinforced. Like C, consider a balanced doubly reinforced section if the material and other properties remain unchanged. Which of the following cases will become under reinforced? So here you have to increase the steel in compression side and decrease the steel in tension side.
Moving to next, question number 31. So for question number 31, option is A and B. This is sulfur dioxide and lead. So these are the primary air pollutants are. So sulfur dioxide and lead, yesterday only I have told you that sulfur dioxide and lead are your primary pollutants. Ozone and sulfuric acid will be your secondary pollutant.
Nice.
Next, this is question number 32. For 32, it's a numerical answer type question. The
Yeah,
range-
0.16 to 0.18. Sir, can you
range-
please write the range exactly?
The range-
So, whenever see students, it is a mathematics question, and here the range is 0.16 to 0.18. Because some students might be reading 0.17. Is it correct, sir? 0.165. Is it correct, sir? Whatever the answer which is between 0.16 to 0.18, it
All
is
the
answer is correct.
All the answers are correct between this range, right? Next is question number 33. For question number 33,
Sir, they have given 9. We have to see, students. After we actually these kind of questions, Pratik sir will be solving tomorrow and means in the next
so
session.
yeah, yesterday only while giving you the answer key, I have told you that there is a sense of ambiguity in this. So right now the official answer key is 9, and we will come up with the detailed solution of this question as well. So moving on with this, sir. This is question number 33.
Yeah.
Then question number 34.
Yeah, here we got a gamma D as 16.67 and students 16.62, 16.80. Whoever has got these answers, it is absolutely correct and it is the dry unit weight, my dear students.
Okay. Chalo. Moving on with this next. Then you have this question number 35. For question number 35, the range is given
1852 to 1858. I think we have given 1853, sir.
Yeah.
1850. See, students, it is nothing but what they have asked, the corresponding pumping rate. Okay, the corresponding pumping rate they have given as 1852 to 1858, the discharge.
Yeah. Next, we have this question number 38.
Yeah, this is the eigenvalues. The sum of eigenvalues is nothing but the trace of a matrix, and the product of the eigenvalues is nothing but the determinant. Here we have the answer as 125. Option A is the right answer.
Option A is correct. Then you have this question number 37.
Sir, 37 comes on. Third round.
37. Okay.
The option D.
Options are, you need to identify the statement. Two statements, P and Q.
See, students, curl of the gradient R of a scalar field R is a null vector. Divergence of the curl of the vector P is 0. Which one of the following statements are correct? If you solve this, you will get the answer as both P and Q statements are true. Sir, have you checked? Sir, 37D. P and Q.
37 is D. Both the statements are correct.
You can write D. Option P and Q. Curl and divergence problem, students. Just to identify.
Next, we have this question number 38.
Oh, yes, sir. Option A, I think. We have done this.
Yeah. So this one. For this question, your option A is the correct option. Yesterday only we have given the match for this question, right? So for this question, option A is the correct option.
See, related to the more circle problem, the option A is the correct. Okay. See, students, one more thing in your set. The questions might jumble. So don't worry, see the options clearly. That is the reason we are trying to tell the range, and also we are trying to mention you the exact values what are given in the official key.
So for this question, yesterday only I have told you how to get the support reaction. So in yesterday's question paper that we got, option D was there.
Right.
Now the
It's
same
a option is
option A. So for this question, option A is the correct
right
option.
answer. 41.1/2, I think, sir.
Yeah. So
40A.
this is 40, which is
0.5.
0.5.
Yeah, 0.5. It's a question related to the torque, and sir has explained you how to calculate the angle of twist and all.
Yeah. So next is this question.
See,
number
sir,
51.
sir, 1 second. Sir, here, see, students, let me tell you one important thing. Yesterday, I told you some of the students might have written 60 degrees and 30 degrees. This is absolutely wrong. Here in this option also it is. Official key also have given you answer B. Because, my dear students, here they have asked you with respect to the major principal plane. As they have given you the word major principal plane, it was the answer was 60 and 60. So most of the people who have think that it is 60-30, it is absolutely wrong, Amma. You can check. Okay.
Okay. So next is 42. This one is 42.
42.
Yeah.
40. The fluid is incompressible and the flow is rotational. So the option A. See, students, in this problem a vector is given and they are asking you which of the, in the context of the above fluid, which one of the following statements are correct. The answer is A.
Next is 43. Yeah. This one is 43.
They have given the answer as A.
Correct answer is A. So for this question, option A is the correct option.
Okay.
Right? Coming to next, 44.
Sir, see, 44 answer we have is 1875.
Yeah. So this is the correct answer. Option A, that is 1875.
Just VF by KJ by 4 students. Maximum traffic flow condition, speed and density relation, linear.
Next you have this 45.
This is 10%, sir. See, actual key.
45.
5B. Yeah, actually it is 10%, students.
So B option, that is 10%, is the correct.
See, students, it's a contour question. Amma. Contour interval is given. The slope of the ground between the adjacent. They are asking the gradient. So the gradient here is you will get 1/10, but in percentile you will get the answer as 10 percentile. Okay, sir.
Next you have this.
Yeah. We have discussed this question and we have told clearly option A and B are correct. So the answers A and B are correct.
Next you have this 47.
21 to 23. Yesterday we have written the answer as 22. Here you can write as 21 to 23, sir.
Range is 21 to 23.
See, students, here
This range
written.
is-
See, students, range is important. 21 to 23. Here you have to find out the written period is given. Probability of success 1/t. 1 minus q power n. Hydraulic risk. Then you will get a value of 22 percentile. You can write as 21 to 23. Any answer is correct. And yesterday we have done this problem, sir. We have written some 25.3 and they have given the range 24.5 to 25.5. Anything answer is correct. So here the range, a 2-meter tank, this is I think it is from hydraulic, fluid mechanics, no, sir?
Yes, sir.
So the question is from fluid mechanics. We have the question as answer as 24.5 to 25.5, student. And we are trying to discuss the morning session, students. Immediately after this, we will be solving the, we will be giving you the official key with the answers for the afternoon session also.
Question number 49, sir.
This is 49.
Yeah. Question number 49. The answer is 7 to 8. The range is 7 to 8.
Yesterday we got 58/6, I think.
Yeah.
8.33.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, we got 8 kilonewton, I think.
7 to 8.
Yeah.
Next you have question number 50.
We have to check this question, students. I think it might be 8.33, no? 8.5 might be also correct. We'll see. See, students, this is the official key. We will also get back to you if there are one or two questions we can challenge, but still we are not sure. So once we have done the preliminary analysis, we are trying to give you the official key. If there is any concerns from our end, we will definitely let you know.
This is a spacing question, sir. 299 to 301. They have given the range.
Okay, shear center. Okay, cracking moment. Okay.
Yeah. Then you have this 51. So for
You have done this question, no, sir.
yeah, 6,000. 6,000 and the range is 6,000 to 6,000. Means you have to literally enter the value of 6,000. If any other value you have entered, that will be wrong. Treated wrong.
And this one they have given huge range, sir. 99 to 102. So students, you should be so lucky. Even if you are writing the answer as 101 also they are giving. So it should be 99 to 102. Any answer they are giving. So the spacing question in the slab, after finding the area of steel and by knowing the space, by knowing the number of bars in 1 meter, how many bars you will know. By that you will be knowing the spacing.
Then for this one,
1575, sir.
Yeah. So 1550 to 1600, the range is there.
Very good. 1550 to 1600 students. See, imagine the range. Here we have got exact. If you talk about the exact answer, you might get 1575 days. 1550 to 1600, the additional time required for the consolidation.
Okay. Next you have this question number
54.
54.
This is also very, sir. We got 49.1 degree students. It is 48 degree to 50 degrees. Students who are want to attend the afternoon session solutions, please try to attend immediately after this, sir.
Yeah. Next you have question number 55. This is question 55. For 55, the range is 0.09 to, they have given two ranges, sir, for this.
Sir, see, students, they have given the two things. This question also will be get back to you, but we have written the answer as 0.1. They have given 0.09 to 0.11, and other answer they are giving is 0.55 to 0.65. Any of these answers will be considered as correct for the Skimpton pore water pressure parameters. Okay.
Two answers. This is, I think, is happening for the first time in GATE, sir. They are giving
sir.
the two
Actually,
answers.
Sometimes it will happen, sir.
Okay.
Actually, means again after challenging and all we can see, but still this can be the answer, sir.
Next, you have this question number 56. For question number 56, the range is 86 to 88. This is 86 to 88.
I think we got 86.33 or
Yeah,
something.
something like that. So this is the question from unit hydrograph. Then we have this question number 57. So for question 57, the answer is 1.09 to 1.12. This is 1.09 to 1.12. This is the range for this question number 57. Next. This is
Spillway.
question number 58. So 4.4 to 4.7.
We got 4.5, I think, no, sir?
Yes, sir.
4.42 or something. 4.4 to 4.70 students.
So this is the answer key for this question. Moving on to the next question number 59.
We have written 5580 kilonewton, sir. They have given 5575 to 5585.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Question number 59. 5575. 1 second, sir.
5575 to 5585.
5575 to 5585.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Coming to this question number 60, the answer is in the range of 7.8 to 8. This is 7.8.
Activated carbon environmental question, sir.
Yeah, 8. Now coming to next question, question number 61. This is question number 61. For question number 61,
99 to 100, sir.
yeah, it is, the range is 99 to 100. The range is like this, 99 to 100.
See, next one. So students, there are some students who are asking this doubt. They can get the exact, see students, they have given a huge range here, 86 to 90, sir.
Yeah, 86 to 90 is the range for this question.
Next.
Next, 63 you have.
This question just we have to find out the slope and we have to take the average. The answer is 40.6 to 40.9, sir.
No,
You
sir.
can.
This is question number 63, right?
Oh, sorry.
63 is 50.
54 to 58. Sorry, students. Here we have given the distance and velocity thing, and see, sorry, distance and time. You by finding the slope, sir. 1 second, sir. Actually, yesterday I thought of discussing. Go into that question. Just hold it. Just go.
Leave it, sir.
Okay. Now see, students, here you have to find out the slope here, and if you know the slope, here it is a graph between distance and time. If you know the slope of distance and time, you will get the velocities. Individual lines you have to find out. Here is the velocity means if you talk about the time, here it starts with 0, but if you see here it starts with 5. So actually you have to find out this length and this height. You will get distance and time, because y-axis will be distance and x-axis is time. Based on distance by time, you will get the velocities of velocity 1, velocity 2, velocity 3, velocity 4, velocity 5 and velocity 6. If they ask you mean, if you calculate the mean, if you take sigma vi 1 to n, I is equal to 1 to n by n, and you can get the answer as 54 to 58. So please check this answer, students. The answer is 54 to 58.
Okay. So next we will move to question number 64. 64, it is 40.6 to 40.
See, students, this answer we have to look into it, sir. Actually, we got 33, I think. We'll look into this answer also, students. If the answer here is given in the key as 40.6 to 40.9, we have to look into this key.
Then this 65 question, sir, it is 10.
Yeah, it's 10. It's a survey question. It's an easy question. So, students, sir, what about Tarun Suman? Tarun, let me tell you one important thing. Expected cutoff, as I told you so many times, it might be 25 marks only. For the forenoon session or for the afternoon session, my guess will be 25 marks. But let us do the afternoon session also and we'll reveal it. Okay.
Now we will start with the afternoon session.
So students students, don't worry about the cutoff and all. Like if you are having any doubts in your response sheet, just message in our Telegram group your response sheet and all. We will be analyzing your marks and we'll be get back to you. Okay.
Sure. So this is the official answer key for your afternoon session. So for question number 1, option A is the correct option. This is the correct option. Option A is the correct option.
Select the red.
So option
just
A.
increase the size. That's possible.
So option A is correct. Moving on to the next. What about this one, sir?
I'm just looking into the key.
So for this question, option B is the correct option. For this question, your option B is the correct option, right?
Yes, sir.
Now moving on to the next, you have question number 3. For question number 3, this is the question. A student was supposed to multiply a positive real number P with another positive real number Q. Instead, the student divided P by Q. If the percentage error in the student's answer is 80%, then the value of Q is. So for this question number 3, the correct option is option D, root 5. So D, that is root 5, is the correct answer. Root 5, sorry, I have written root 2.
That's okay. Okay, sir. We can move on to the next
question. Okay. Next, we have question number 4. So this is question number 4. For question number 4, option A is the correct option, and the question number 4 is saying if the sum of the first 20 consecutive positive odd numbers is divided by 20 square, then the result is. So for question number 4, correct option is option A.
Okay, sir.
Next is question number 5. This is question number 5. So for question number 5, the correct answer is, sir, option B, 200. A ratio of the number of girls to boys in class 8 is the same as the ratio of the number of boys to girls in class 9th. This was the question. Now next is question number 6. This is question 6. So for this question number 6, the correct answer is D.
Right, sir?
Yeah.
Out, down, by, for. Okay.
Yeah. Option D. You can write down, sir. Option D.
Okay. Go ahead, go ahead.
Then you have this question 7. In this question 7, the
Option
correct
B, I
one,
think.
yeah, option B is correct.
See, students, here we have some circular question and we have the answer here as 7 by 2, which is B.
Option B.
Yes, sir. You can go ahead, sir.
Next, you have this question 8. For question 8, sir, you can directly tell us some graph question is there. So you can
The
directly.
graph question, the risk reduction on increasing the steps from 0 to 5,000 is less than the risk reduction on increasing the steps from 15,000 to 20,000. Option B is the right answer. Graph, okay. Sir, see, not only option B, I am reading the option also. The risk reduction on increasing the steps from 0 to 5,000 is less than the risk reduction on increasing the steps from 15,000 to 20,000. Students, again and again, I am trying to tell you, see here, what I would like to tell you here is the options will be scrambled. So don't see the answer and read the option.
So this is my question number 9. For question number 9, this is question 9 only.
See,
sir.
Bhumika, how many questions for each question? I'll tell you. First 10 questions will be 1 mark in aptitude, and next 5 questions will be 2 marks. And if you see the technical part, first 25 questions will be 1 mark.
Sir,
and
yeah.
first 20, sir, first 20 questions, right?
Yeah, 25.
No. First 20 questions of technical will be 1 mark, and
20,
35 questions
25.
will be for 2 marks. Sir, actually 5 questions in aptitude will be there, no?
So
Aptitude
25.
15.
Aptitude 15.
See, students, what I would like to tell you is total questions of 1 mark are 30 and 35 questions are of 2 marks. In the first section, you will have first 10 questions as 1 mark questions. Yes?
5 question for 1 mark and 5 question for 2 marks in aptitude.
Okay, 5 questions are for 1 mark and 5 questions for 2 mark. Okay.
So, sir, for this question, option C was correct option.
Okay. Option C.
Yeah,
Not
this
option
is
B.
no, sir. You can just correct it. This is question number 8. So for question 8, the correct option is option C.
Okay. See, students, here option C is the right answer. Just check it.
You can also erase this one, sir. This bottom one.
Okay. And here the answer is for any 5,000 in steps, largest risks are going to occur 0 to 5,000. Okay, we can go.
So this is next question is question number 9. So for question number 9,
Option A is the right answer, sir. You can come down. Option A is the right answer. Okay. You can go ahead, sir.
then this is the last question of the aptitude section. So for
And
this,
here also it is A. So it
Yeah.
is 120 degrees. So we can quickly move on to the technical parts.
next, you have this question from maths and aptitude. No, this is, I think,
Mathematics.
mathematics only, partial differential equation.
62.5, sir. Option B, amma. Dou square t by dou x square plus dou square t by dou y square. The option is B. And the answer here is 62.5. See, students, the answer here is 62.5. Okay.
Yeah. So this is option B. Then question number 12. This is question 12. So for question 12,
P
your
is
option
true, Q
A.
is false, right?
Yeah, option
P,
A is
P
correct.
is true. And option, I think it is B transpose, A transpose. So it should be false.
Yeah.
So option A is true, B is false. 13, sir.
Question number 13. Question
Option
number
A is the right answer. Here, see. 1 upon 12h square. Minus will come, mama. Minus fi plus 2. See. So, minus fi plus 2, 16 fi plus 1. Minus 30 fi, 60 fi minus 1. Minus f minus I by 2. So, see the final term, which is different from the other options. Okay.
yeah, 14th. Question number 14.
Sir,
your
see,
option
students,
B.
here we have to find out the final f double dash of x. If it is positive, we get the final double dash of x as positive, and here we'll get the answer as minimum. So the option B is the correct answer. Yes, sir.
Okay, correct answer it is. Then question number 15 we are having.
See, in 15, it is a P is a homogeneous equation. If you see the degree in both the equations, it is a homogeneous equation. And if you compare here, you will get x square dy by plus y square dx is equal to 0. You can compare this one with m dy plus n dx format. And if you see, both will not, dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. You will not get the correct answer. And I think P is homogeneous and Q is not an exact ODE. So the option D, sir.
Option B is correct, sir.
Option?
B for Bombay.
P, yeah, P is homogeneous, Q is not an exact. Yeah. Sir, P is non-homogeneous they have given. So, see student, P is a homogeneous and Q is not exact. Okay, sir, we can go.
Next, you have this question number 16.
16 question, option C is the
Mechanics
option C is the answer, sir.
Yeah, option C is the correct answer for question 16. Then you have this question 17.
And 17, the question answer here is both P and Q. Please check it, sir.
Question
Both
number
P,
17. Yeah.
P and Q are correct.
Yeah, correct.
Sir, it's a question related to CMM, right?
Yeah.
In a pure project organization and all. Okay, see students. Come.
Next, you have this question number 18. It is related to steel. Shear center is asked. Sorry, it is related to SOM only, strength of material. So, this is question number 18. Yeah, 18. So, for question number 18,
Option C.
option C is the correct option.
Option you can write option C, R. Okay, sir. You can go ahead.
So you can hold this up. Then you have this 19.
19th one we have A, sir.
Option A is correct.
Okay. It's a CMM question, I think.
Budget cost of the work schedule.
Okay, okay.
Given. Okay. Next you have this question number 20, RCC question.
Sir, this you will get Ly by Lx whole square. 20th one D, I think. Check, sir. Answer. 20th one D.
Yeah, 20D. Option D is the correct answer for this.
See students, here what I would like to tell you here is, if you see here, if you see movement in the x direction, you will get r power 4 by 1 plus r power 4 into, if you see, WLX square by 8. Okay, if you take similarly MUY means, MUY you will take it as 1 by 1 plus r power 4, WLY square by 8. If you do this problem, you will get r power 4 into MUX by MUYC students, you will get a value of LX by LY whole square. Okay. If you see here, R power 4 is LY by LX whole power 4 and into LX by LY whole square. And if you solve this, you will get a value of LY by LX whole square. So the option D is the correct answer. Rankins-Gorshoff's method. This is working stress method, sir. In the design characteristic, in the design load students, if you consider the load into partial safety factor, we are not taking into the load characteristic because design load we call F as characteristic load. We will take the working stress method as the, because in this we will not take the safety factor into account. And see, sir, can you check this answer also? Rigid footing, cohesive soil. B, right?
22 is B. Yeah.
Somewhat drop it, sir. Can you drop it? Option B. This indicate, this here, see students, obviously if it is more at corners means it will indicate rigid footing and the answer is B. Okay, just a second, sir. It is taking time. Okay. Can you see the answer, students?
This is question number 23. For 23, option D.
Option D, over consolidated soils, sir. It will come because, see students, if you consider the pore water pressure, positive pore water pressure and negative pore water pressure, you have the graph in this way and this indicates dense sands. Okay. So he is asking the negative pore water pressure. It anyhow dense sands means you can say over consolidated clay will also have the same behavior. Okay.
This is question number 24. This is a directly fluid mechanics question.
Okay.
It's a direct fluid mechanics question. This is question number 24. For this question, your option B is the correct option, sir. You can write down option B.
P is real solid, Q is ideal Bingham plastic, S is Newtonian fluid, and T will be the ideal fluid. See students, how standard question is, if you see anyone starting the fluid mechanics, they start with this, usually this graph.
Then you have this question number 25.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
For question 25, option D is the correct option, sir.
Option D is the correct option. 4, 3, 1, 2.
Yeah.
4, 3, 1, 2. So you can write 4, 3, 1.
You can write down option D.
Option D. Option D. 1 second, students. Here it is. Option D. Okay, sir. You can move on. Students, if you have any queries, you can ask me, sir.
Next is question number 26. For question 26, they have given the answer as option C. Which one of the following products is not obtained in the anaerobic decomposition? I have already told you that sulfur is not present in the glucose. That's why H2S will not be formed as an end product of the anaerobic digestion of glucose. Although H2S is the anaerobic product, but since glucose does not contain sulfur, therefore H2S will not be formed. So for this question, your option C is the correct option. Moving on with the next, you have question number 27. This is question 27. Sir, for this question, which option is correct? You need to find out the reduced level.
Okay, runway.
Reduced level, sir.
I think it's first.
27 is option C.
1 second, sir. Option
C.
means 0.28%.
Yeah.
Sir, once check it again.
Yeah, this is question number 27, option C.
Okay.
Then you have this question number 28. Again, it's a highway question. Question number 28, option B is correct. Highways and railways only.
Yeah. The outer edge superannuation basic definition, sir. To avoid overturning, he will raise the outer edge of the payment with respect to the inner edge.
Then you have this
Option
question
A.
number 29.
Option A.
29, yeah. Option A is correct.
Yeah. Corners, temperature and wheel load. Loading and temperature we will take at corners. Okay.
This is question 30.
I think
Option B is correct, sir, for this one.
1 by 50.
150.
Yeah. See, students, this is nothing but scale is equal to F upon H minus H. And we know focal length they are asking. Scale is how much, sir? 1 by 13,000 is equal to, if the flying height is how much, sir? 3,000. 1 by 3,000 minus 1050 mm. Okay. See, if you will do this, actually you will have F here. You will get F is equal to 1950 divided by 13,000. If you see, you will get, but it will be in points, sir. You will get 0.15 and the answer.
This is
here
question
also,
number
thumb
31.
bob is centering, tangent skew, minor movements, stadia crossfire, tachymetry, bubble tube leveling. So 4, you can
Option
say
B.
3
2, 1.
and 2 and 1. So
Option
4,
B.
3, 2, 1. Option B is the right answer. Are you following, students?
Then you have this 32.
See, student, this is a very simple question, Amma. Here, see, 30 minutes is there. Here, 29 minutes. So, you have to take the average of this, sir. Number of observation, 30, 31. So, you'll get the answer 30 degrees, 30 minutes. Here, seconds we'll see, 40, 20, 20. So, see, no need to do all those things also. 40 plus 20 divided by 4 because it is 0. So, you'll get 80 by 2, 20 seconds. So, 30, 30, 20. So, option B is the right answer. Yes, sir?
Yeah. Then you have this question number 33.
Sir, these they got 1.79. Just check it, sir.
1.75 to 1.85.
Okay, very good.
Shape factor.
Shape factor, you know, right, students? Plastic section modulus by ordinary section modulus. You know how to calculate the plastic section modulus also. A by 2 into y1 bar plus y2 bar. And if you do this, you will get a value of how much, sir? The range was given as 1.75 to 1.85. If you see the calculations, you might get a value of 1.79. Okay.
Okay. Next, you have question number 34.
A reinforced concrete pile of 10 meter length and all these things. How much?
545 to 555.
Yeah,
Range is given.
545 kilonewton to 555 kilonewton. See, students, actually here they have given you uplift pull out. That means actually there should be like FS plus self weight, but self weight we are not given, so we can directly take FS into AS, that is alpha C into pi into D into L, and if you do this, plug in these values, you will get the answer.
Next, you have this question number 35.
4.5.
Yeah, for 35, it is 2.88 to 2.94.
This one, critical depth of flow. See, 35, 2.88 to 2.94. Depth meter, right, sir?
Yeah. Next, you have this question number 36.
I think it is 20 percentile. See, students, here we have 100 students, sorry, 100 patients. Out of the 50 students are taking medicine. Okay, again in 50%, what they have told you, see here, 80% of chances of having heart attack. So, see, 80% of 50% is 40. And now if you want to do the probability, just 0.5 in percentile, or if you do 0.5 into 0.4, you will get 0.2 and you will get the answer as 20 percentile. Okay, option C is the right answer. Are you following?
Yeah.
Right, sir?
Question number 37.
See, students, here this is a thing where we have to take the load is balanced by the weight of the beam as well as the spring. See, students, here for you like simply supported beam, like point load, you should know the deflection. If you know this, it will help you. So the option first one will be correct. Sigma square root of KLU plus 6E by ML cube.
Next, you have this question number 38. For question number 38, your option A is your correct option. So both statement P and Q are your correct statements.
See, students, here it is an economically advisable to complete the activity early by crashing if the indirect cost of the project is 8,400 day, and the indirect, just to identify for you which question, I'm just reading the question number.
This is question number 39.
Sir, they got 298?
Yeah, for 39 option A, 298 Celsius, degree Celsius.
Okay. It's a SOM and a combination of RCC, sir. Survey or anything.
Okay. Then you have this question 40. So for this question 40, again your option A is the correct. Means both the statements are true.
Yeah, when a rough retaining walls move towards the backfill, the wall friction mobilizes in upward direction. See, students, you see, okay, wall friction moves towards the upward direction.
Statement Q is most of the earthfill pressure theories calculate the earth pressure due to the surcharge by neglecting the actual distribution of stresses due to the surcharge. So both statements are correct. Coming to next question number 41. This is question number 41. For question 41, your correct answer is again option A, 2.39 to 2.42.
Flow depth of C, students, triangular channel, and it is 2.39 to 2.42.
Next, moving to this question number 42. For this question number 42, option A.
A or B, sir?
Option A is correct, sir. Diameter of anthracite particles slightly less than 0.35 mm, and the diameter of ilmenite particles is slightly greater than 0.141 mm.
Okay.
This is question number 42.
See, students, all these are answers according to the official keys. If you have any things, we'll get back to you, Amma. Sir, it is 55. See, upward speed limit means we have to take the 85th percentile, and it will be 50 to 60. If you add this 738, 76 means 114, or if you add 143, you'll get 243, and if you do this, you'll get 347, 78 will be 425. Okay, and if you do this, you'll get 454, and if you do this 478, 491, and 500. And if we have to do individual, if at 50, 60, okay, we'll get the answer around 55. Option B is the right answer. Yes, sir?
Yeah, sir. So, next question is question number 44. Now, this is a multiple select question. So, for three vectors are given to you: P vector, I, J, K cap, Q, I, 2J, 3K, and R is 2I plus 3K, 3J plus 4K. So, this is question number 44. The correct answer is A and B.
A and B are
correct. A and B are correct answers. Now, moving to question number 45 next. This is question number 45.
I think here we have two answers. In some questions, C. First question might be true, Q and R are false. Sir, what is the answer? C
option C and option D are the correct answers for this.
See, students, P is true, Q and R are false. See, sir, once go to the, because there are so many questions asked from the student. See, students, here you might be facing the issue. Some people have asked that D question is right like that. Compacted fine grain soils with flocculated structure has isotropic permeability. This is absolutely true. Phreatic surface line, the pore water pressure will be zero. See, or if you see these two conditions, actually it is piping they have given, it should be quicksand. So Q and R statements are false, and Q and R statement false, but P is true. So here option C, they are telling P is true and R is false, and Q and R false. So here option C and D are correct. Or simply whatever the, it is a multiple select question. If you have written Q and R only true, false, then it is wrong. Okay. This is one of the question which is raised from all the students, sir. That is the reason.
So this is question 46. For question 46, A, C, D are the correct options, sir. A, C, and D.
Okay, it's a payment question. It's a theory question, sir.
Yeah. Next, you have this question 47.
How much are them?
The range is given as
It will get 1 power infinity, I think.
5.11 to 5.15.
M is equal to 5.11 to
5.15.
right?
15.
Now see, students, the next question is...
Sir, you can write this.
Okay. Sorry, sir. M is equal to 5.11 to
5.15.
5.15. Next one is C, students. Consider two matrices. See here it is a 2 into 3 matrix, and here we have is 3 into 2 matrix. And if you see, you will get a value of 2 by 2 matrix. And if you see, you will get something 4 by 12 and 19 and 12. You will get a value of, see, 48 minus 38. You will get a value of around roughly 10, sir. What is the answer they have given, sir?
Yeah, range is 10 to 10.
So the exact answer they have given as 10. Okay.
Then this is question number 49.
Sir, this is deflection question. See, students, if you sir, we can use this UDL to the entire load, and we can subtract this, no, sir? Is it the deflection like this we can do in this way, no?
exactly.
Calculating the above the entire deflection, and we are removing that.
So this is question number 49. Answer is 1.176 to 1.186. For this question, the range is 1.176 to 1.186. This is the range for this question that is given.
Okay.
Chalo, moving on with this next. This is question number 50. So for question number 50, the range is 150 to 150. This is 150 to 150. This is the range that
This is
given.
internal hinge, sir. Q.
Yeah, this is the internal hinge Q. And you need to find out the maximum magnitude of the moment reaction. So basically the student needs to draw the ILD at Q. ILD for bending moment, and then accordingly you need to place the load.
Sir, this question is interesting, sir.
Next one.
So, see, student, this is an interesting question. Actually, you know the, see, here we have the stress at the topmost fiber. If you, sorry, strain at the topmost fiber, it will be taken as 0.0035 minus 0.7 times the strain at the minimum. That means we have to find out the strain at this value. See, here it will be 0.1 D, and here it will be 1.1 D. Now here what will be the value we have to calculate? It is EC minimum, you can say. Whatever the EC minimum value, we know this equation. Are you getting, my dear students? You can write here the maximum value at top is what, sir? 0.0035 minus 0.75 upon EC minimum. And here we have the interpolation. What you can write is 1.1 D upon EC max, or you can write 0.1 D upon EC minimum. Sir, they have got the value 3.2. What is the answer they have given?
0.2 to 3.4 they have given the range. The range is...
See, students, some people have written 3.5. It should be lesser, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So range is 3.2 to 3.4.
So here, please remember, they have given 3.4 means it's very good, sir. Some of the people, they know, they might write. So the final answer for RCC here is 3.2 to 3.4 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 3 is given in the question.
Okay, so this is the CMM question in which you need to calculate the total duration of the project. So simply you need to draw the network diagram and go for the forward pass calculation. That will going to give you the project duration. There are another ways of calculating the critical activity, finding out the critical activity, but that is a longer method. So this is question number 52 and answer for this is 30 days. This is 30. Range is 30 to 30. Next, you have this related with, I think this is geotech question. Yeah. Piping failure. 53, sir.
53 they have given. See students, actually here we know delta H by ND. Delta H is equal to H by ND, sir. You will get something values like 15 by 10. I think 15 is the difference in it, so you will get 1.5. And I is equal to delta H by L. You will get 1.5 by 3. It will be 0.5. And if you do this, I think you will get roughly around 0.65 void ratio. Have you got this value, sir?
So range is 0.63 to 0.67. The range
So here see students, the range is 0.63 to 0.67. And here see students in 54 question, see actually students might be aware of this formula, E max minus E by E max minus E minimum. But remember, dry density is maximum when, void ratio is maximum when dry density is minimum. So you people who are not aware of this, they might have done the mistake. And 1 upon gamma D max, gamma D minimum minus 1 upon gamma D max. And most of the people, some of the students who have done the mistake is, they have not identified that this is what is this actually. Here they have given percentage of voids. That means they have given the void ratio, porosity as 0.5 percentile. Okay.
Okay, so for this question, question number 54, the answer is 0.12 to 0.14. They have given the range, sir, 0.12 to 0.14.
13.33, right? Percentile.
So this is question number 54, na, right?
Yeah. We can write, sir.
Yeah, 1 second, sir.
You can write, sir. That is fine. See students, they have asked you what is relative density.
54.
Relative density, it will be 13.33 percentile, or you can write 0.13 to 0.14, 0.1 to 0.14. Very good. Sir, if they ask you in percentile, it is 13.33 percentile. Okay, sir. Next one.
Next, you have this question number 54.
This is confining pressure and triaxial pressure, sir, using the equation sigma 1 is equal to sigma 3 tan square 45 plus 5 by 2. And they have, how much, sir? They have
30,
given
30. Direct answer 30 to 30. Range is 30 to 30.
We have to see this question, students. I think we will get around 49 degrees we got, I think. We have to see this question, students.
30 to 30 is the correct answer. Next,
Students, I'll get back to in this on this question, okay?
56. Next, this one is question number 56.
Sorry,
For question number 56, the range is 0.64 to 0.65.
This we got, sir. This 5 index, no, sir? Centimeter per hour.
So this is 0.64
645.
64 to 0.65.
Okay.
This is the range for this question number 56. Now next is question number 57. This is question number 57. For this question, the answer is 0.7 to 0.8.
0.7 to
0.8.
See students, it's a question from the fluid mechanics.
A 500 meter long water distribution pipe P with diameter 1 meter is used to convey 0.1 meter cube per second of the flow. This was the question. So accordingly you can have, sir, how to download the answer key. Right now the answer key is not available.
Prithvinath, what we will do is, please join the Telegram group link, Amma. We will be sharing you the answer keys. After this session, we will be sharing our answer keys in the Telegram group. Okay, don't worry, Prithvinath. If you have any issue, you can join. If you are in the Telegram group, we will be sharing that. Don't worry about that.
So question number 58, sir. Question number 58, the answer key is, it is given in the range of, question number 58, it is 102 to 106. This is 102 to 106.
Okay.
This is question number 58. Now coming to question number 58 is a 2 meter by 1.5 meter tank of 6 meter height is provided with 100 mm diameter orifice at the center of its base. The orifice is plugged and the tank is filled up to 5-meter height. So this was the question of fluid mechanics that was there. Answer is 102 to 106. Range is given. Then you have question number 59, which says that a rectangular channel of 4-meter wide and carries a discharge of 2-meter cube per second with a depth of 0.4 meter. The channel transitions to a maximum width contraction to a downstream location without influencing the upstream flow condition. The width in meters at the maximum contraction is. So for this question number 59, they have given the range of 3.3 to 3.7. 3.3 to 3.7. So this is the answer for this question. Now next is your environment question, question number 60, which says that a circular settling tank is to be designed for the primary treatment of the sewage at a flow rate of 100 million liters per day. Assume a detention period of 2 hours and the surface loading rate of 40,000 liter per meter square per day. The height of the water column in the tank is. So for this question 60, they have given the range of 3.25 to 3.4. This is 3.25 to 3.4. Next is question number 61, which is again an environment question in which you need to calculate the amount of SO2 generated. So we have already dealt this question in detail and I have explained you in detail how to solve this question. So for this question, the answer will be 9.9 to 10.2. So 9.9 to 10.2, the range is given.
Now see students, sir, this question you might have observed that in some solutions you might find some wrong solutions. But here for this 62 question, the maximum restricted speed is 113 to 116. What is the maximum restricted speed? It is 113 to 116 kilometer per hour. Some of the students have asked me, sir, is 113 correct? It is absolutely correct for your information.
Okay, this is question number 63. This question 63, the answer is 117 to 120.
The length of summit curve, okay.
120, sir. Then you have this next question number 64. So for this 64, the range is 6 to 8.
Yeah, 6 to 8. Actually, it will come, see students, 6.90 meter or something. Actually, here you have to form a traverse, sir. Okay, and from this he is asking what is this distance. If you know the latitude and departure concept, it is a very easy problem to solve.
Now this is also last survey.
So, last question you will get an answer as 199.705.
Yeah, the range is 199.704 to 199.706.
Anything 705 you will get the right answer. It is a height and sir, see here the concept is sum of backside minus sum of foresight is equal to last RL minus first RL. Using this concept you will be getting. So overallly if you see the questions of both morning session and afternoon session, my expected cutoff will be 25 and Pratik sir will also decide it. Okay, and one more thing students, there are 1 or 2 questions from morning paper as well as in the afternoon paper where we have to challenge. Thank you Divansh. Here actually what we are trying to do is, here my dear students, when we are discussing this question paper, if anyone is getting 30 marks, 35 marks or if they are just qualified, never, don't worry. We please join the Telegram group. Here we would like to tell you the post gate guidance, means which college, which specialization, which like if you see in IIT Madras, there are some specializations like oceanography, petroleum engineering, and it is an interdisciplinary branch. Even with the higher ranks you can get into it. So please understand the things that after getting the detailed solution of 2-3 questions, like I have got a concern from 2-3 students related to the speed 113 kilometer per hour and the like graph mean speed, and we have rectified, but still I have a doubt on 2 questions. In the morning 1 paper, 1 question, in the afternoon 1 question. Once we have done the preliminary analysis, and we'll get back to you in the tomorrow in the next session. And I would like to ask first of all Pratik sir, please tell the expected cutoff and what should be the guidance if they have just qualified.
Okay, so first of all, dear students, in the second paper especially, there are few questions in which a lot of ambiguity is there. Still, we are waiting for the challenge to happen, and surely we will going to provide you the updated keys as well. So for now, what I am seeing is the second paper. It is slightly,
Bit
yeah,
sir.
right. So it is slightly lengthy as well as
Normalization
compared
will
to
be
the morning session, and the normalization may happen for this second paper, right? Now the thing is, the cutoff will be around in the range of 25 to 26 or 26.5, somewhere in that range. But do not get demotivated if one or two questions have went here and there for you. You first join the Telegram group to have the post gate guidance, where we will provide proper guidance that will help you to get the best college, whatever ranks you have, right? So you can just have the link in the description box of a Telegram group, even it is posted in the chat box. So you can just click on the Telegram group link and you can join. The detailed analysis, we will also be coming up with each and every question detailed analysis for
If
both the
possible, we'll
sessions.
try to solve the
Yeah.
questions on the online live only, sir. We'll give the detailed solution online live only, if possible. If we have, see students, regarding one important thing, I would like to tell you, students who have secured like just qualified marks, or if they are getting good marks also, please try to join the Telegram group. If any further notifications are there, like what should be the measures, like if you are like another important thing I would like to tell you students, if you are a third year student or second year student or a final year student, see, when you have to write the gate exam, you can write the gate exam in the third year or final year. So when is the best time to prepare gate exam is second year, once you have completed the second year, not before the starting of second year. Once you have completed your second year, it is the right time to start. And remember students, if you want to be successful in gate exam, it cannot be achieved within 1 or 2 months. It requires a preparation of 6 to 8 months. And see students, using this preparation, don't try to waste your time. Utilize the time in the preparation of ISRO or BARC, and also you can utilize this time for other competitive exams like state level. So students, if you have any queries or any updates, you can join the Telegram group, and I hope these solutions will help you to just verify your answers for a detailed solutions. And if you want the, we'll be uploading our in the website also. Once we get the clear picture, there are 1 2 questions. Once we have done the ambiguity also, we'll be uploading these questions in the website also. So any queries or anything, you can ask me in the chat box. Before ending the session, students, if you are a third year or a final year student, you have the validity for 3 years. And if you want to have a like gate improvement, if you want to have the improvement in the gate score, don't waste this time, sir. Please try to concentrate on this time in a proper way. Try to improve your basics, and where you went wrong, where you went correct, you just do your self assessment. And see students, if you are getting low score, don't worry. There are, see, usually in gate exam we hardly see 18 to 20 maximum 18 percentile of the students will be qualified. So it is not, so if you are in the 18 percentile, that itself is a big achievement. So please be positive, and I hope these solutions of civil engineering will help you to check. So all the best. And if you have any queries or any if you want any updates, please join the Telegram group. All the best. Myself Sandeep Adari, signing off. Thank you.